how to verify identity on Apple Pay. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify identity on Apple Pay. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is head over to settings and then you're going to search for the option of wallet. Click on wallet and then you'll be able to see various options over here. So if you have added an Apple Card Cash over here, you'll be able to see that over here. And you'll be able to see an option of Apple Cash. So you can simply toggle that option on and then you can click on your Apple Cash card. Once you do so, they'll ask you to verify using your ID card or passport or driving license. So you can simply upload any of those and then you can verify using a picture check that you can upload your own picture, take a live picture or any video, and then you can verify that. So once done, you'll be able to see that you have successfully verified your identity on Apple Pay. So that is basically how you can verify identity on Apple Pay. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.